Assalamualaikum and good day. In this video, I will explain about tutorial chapter 1, question 2. Okay, for question 2, the question asks you to find the gradient of each following. Okay, we have question 2a. Given that V1 equal to V0 exponent negative 2r sine 3phi. So we know that in this equation, it's relate with r, small letter r, and phi. Okay, for theta, it doesn't exist in this equation. So we assume that it is in cylindrical coordinate system. So, by referring to the appendix here, okay, just follow the equation for gradient under cylindrical coordinates. So, you will get this equation. Okay, so now you just need to substitute equation for V1 here into every terms. Okay, so this one is after I substitute the V1. Okay, after I substitute the V1 equation, and then you will get like this, and then you need to solve it, the differentiation. This one is differentiation towards dr, this one towards dphi, and this one towards dz. Okay, so you can cancel out the third one, okay, because z does not exist in this equation, only r and phi. So you will get 0 if you differentiate this one. So automatically you will get 0. Okay, so only left the first and the second terms here. So the first terms, after you do the differentiation, you will get, the answer is like this: negative 2v0 exponent negative 2r sine 3phi ar plus 3v0. This is the second terms after differentiation. Don't forget 1 over r here. So you will get 3v0 exponent negative 2r cos 3phi, okay, over r, okay, a phi. I believe all of you already know how to differentiate this equation because this one is already been taught in your secondary school. Okay, now just solve it, this equation, simplify it, and then you will get the answer is in terms of V naught R and phi. Okay, this is the answer for question 2A, and then we proceed to question 2B. The question gives V2 equal to V0 A over R cos 2 theta. We know that in this equation we have capital letter R and theta. When you see theta and capital letter R, it shows that this equation relates to the spherical coordinates. Don't forget, the question asks you to find the gradient. So you just need to refer to tables for gradient under spherical coordinate system. So the equation is here. Okay, this equation is from the appendix. Okay, and then you just need to substitute equation V2 here into this equation. Okay, so you will get like this after you substitute. Okay, So this one, you need to differentiate towards r. For the second terms towards theta and the third terms towards phi. But we know that in this equation, phi does not exist. So automatically, the third terms is cancelled because you will get 0. Okay, 0 times 1 over r sine theta, you will get 0. So just cancel out. Only 2 terms here left. So after you differentiate, you will get negative v naught a over r squared cos 2 theta ar plus 1 over r v naught a over r in bracket negative 2 sine 2 theta a theta. Okay, and then you just simplify it, you will get this answer in terms of a v naught r theta. Okay, that's all for question 2b. Thank you.